My hair is severely over moisturized right now, so we are going to spend the next 5 hours fixing it. Luckily 5 hours for me and not 5 hours for you. If you could touch my hair right now, there will be this grease film on your hand. That's how overly moisturized it is. It's also really sticky. This is what happens to my hair when it has moisture overload. If you don't know what moisture overload, it's basically when your hair has too much moisture in it and it probably doesn't have enough protein. So I was on vacation for the last 2 weeks. Honestly, didn't take the best products with me. Like, I didn't think the products through. Most of them were super moisturizing products, and yeah, my hair also has a ton of product buildup. So let's get started. Step one of today's routine is I'm going to use this JVN oil on my scalp, and I'm going to shampoo my hair a few times today because I need to get rid of product buildup. So I just want to, you know, quickly take care of my scalp. I'm just quickly massaging the oil into my scalp like this, and I just like to do it all over. I'm actually going to work out now, so I'm going to tie my hair up. I'm going to leave this oil in my scalp for about 1 hour, and then we're gonna go to the shower and wash my hair. My hair is finally washed, detox, balanced. It feels so good. So really quickly, I want to explain to y'all what I did in the shower. I'm going to put the clips right here, that way you can see what I did. And on this side, I'm going to put the products that I use, and as always, all the links are going to be down below for you. So the first thing that I did is I used the Garnier conditioner to detangle my hair. My hair was extremely tangled, so that's why I decided to go in with conditioner first, and I detangled on wet hair. So after that, I rinsed that out, and now I went in with shampoo. I used the Way Detox shampoo, and I did shampoo 2 times, and this is because my hair was filled with buildup. I was in Europe and I was at the beach. My hair had a lot of salt water in it. I didn't have a proper clarifying shampoo with me. Also, the water over there is hard, meaning it has a ton of minerals, and I do have low medium porosity hair, and my hair just does not do good with hard water. It's always a disaster. So as you see, when I started to shampoo, I did bring it down to the lengths of my hair. Also brush the shampoo through. I know this isn't for everyone, but it works for me. It literally gets rid of all the buildup in my hair, and then I rinsed it out. And this might not be for everybody, but it's something that I notice benefits me. I think it's because my hair is coarse. It's also low medium porosity. I also have a lot of hair, so usually what I find with my hair is if I just shampoo my scalp and just let the shampoo run down through my hair, I notice that it doesn't get all of my hair, so it doesn't cleanse it properly. And I noticed this because later on when I style, I just noticed so much frizz in between, and for me that's usually a sign that I didn't really clean all the strands of my hair. So a reason why I did condition before too is because my hair was tangled, and also I knew I wanted to bring the shampoo down to my strands, and I just find that by conditioning first and detangling and then shampooing, it usually works the best for me. So I brushed that shampoo, rinsed that out, and then I went in with another shampoo. This was just like a huge detox for my hair. My hair had a lot of moisture overload. It had a lot of hard water buildup. It had salt water from the beach. It was just like a mess. So after I properly cleansed my hair with the shampoo, now I went in with the Curlsmith Bond Rehab Salve, and I decided to use this after because I just wanted to make sure that my hair was completely detoxed and had no buildup. That way the bond builder can actually penetrate to my strands and actually do all the work it can do. So I did apply that product in sections, and then I let it sit for about 30 minutes. This product has a good amount of protein in it, and it was going to help balance out my hair with protein and moisture while giving it all the bond building help it can give. So after I rinsed out the bond builder, I used a shampoo because that's what it says in the directions, to shampoo your hair, to like make sure you rinse it out. So I went in with the Core Strength shampoo from Curlsmith. The reason I picked that one is because the goal of this routine is to balance my hair out with protein and moisture, and this shampoo is a really good shampoo for me when I really want to balance out my hair, because it has a good amount of protein in it, and I just noticed that it works really well. So I used that shampoo and then I rinsed it out, and then after that step I decided to use the Briogeo, I think it's called the avocado hair mask in the green jar, and I apply that to my hair in sections, carefully, just making sure that I'm taking care of each strand that's on my head. So I really took my time with this step, and then I decided to steam the deep conditioner. Since my hair is low medium porosity, it does struggle with absorbing product. My hair is also really coarse, so when I use a steam with like a deep conditioner, it just softens up really nicely. So I steamed my hair for, I'd say, about 15 minutes, and then I put a shower cap on and I let it sit for 20 more minutes, and then I rinsed that out. And now we're here. Now it's time to style, and I'm going to go in with a combo that I've been obsessed with. It's from Matrix. I'm going to use a Curl Can Dream on the cream, and then I'm going to use the gel. This combo just works so well in my hair, you're going to see. So let's style. I'm just styling as normal, first applying the cream, and I am applying it in sections as always for even distribution, then going in with gel. And after I do that, I am brush styling. Didn't decide to show the whole routine because I do have videos up on how I do this. I just diffused my hair. I feel like it's 95% dry right now, so we're gonna go in with some oil to kind of break up this light cast I have going on, and to start locking in all of the moisture. As y'all can see, this moisture overload is not in my hair anymore. My curls are finally coming through, and they're not sticky and just way down. I broke apart that cast a little bit. I did say my hair is 95% dry, so I'm gonna go diffuse for about 5 more minutes and I'll be back. As you can see, we are back. My hair finally does not have any more moisture overload. Now it's protein and moisture balance. So as you can see, it's a drastic difference when my hair has a ton of moisture and a ton of buildup versus when it's protein and moisture balance, and when it is also clarified and not filled with buildup. So I feel like it can happen to anyone, even people who know so many things about hair. They can go through this, like getting moisture overload, especially when you're on vacation and your hair is not your priority. Honestly, when I'm on vacation, my hair is the last thing on my list. So I feel like most of the time when I'm not home and I'm somewhere else, my hair tends to really go through it, and it just feels really good when you're like back home and you can finally go into your normal routine, do your normal things, and your hair just flourishes and comes out so good. But I really do hope this video was helpful to you, and if you're going through moisture overload, I definitely recommend all of the products that I showed in this video. Literally all of these products, I've been through multiple bottles except for the stylers. The stylers, those are new bottles that I started using about like 3 or 4 months ago. But thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.